Okay, guys, welcome to Let's Get to the Marks. We're going through this question, which is a paper 3 maths question. So one of the reasons that COTS, whatever organism COT is not of interest to me, can destroy a coral reef in a short time is because they move quickly, allowing one to move from one reef to the other. Okay, this shows the maximum speeds of recorded COTS in constant light. So if they're moving towards the light, they go a little bit slower at 259 millimeters every minute. And if they're moving away from constant light, that means they're traveling at nearly double the speed or over double the speed. They're going up 564 millimeters per minute. Calculate the shortest time one COTS would take to move up a coral reef from 66 meters to underwater to 18 meters underwater in hours of daylight. So we need to know how much time it's going to take these COTS to move up the coral reef. Well, if you think here is my coral reef, and the COTS is moving up it, and it's going from 66 meters to 18 meters. Now, that means what's the distance it's traveled? Well, first of all, what are they asking us? They're asking us for a time, hours. And we've been given a distance and we've been given speed. And when you've been given speed, distance, and time, you're looking at speed equals distance divided by time. That's the equation we need to use here. Well, we know they've traveled 66 meters up, so we know the distance is going to be equal to 48 meters. And we find that by doing 66 take away 18. We know they're going up towards the light because they're going up the reef, which means up towards the surface of the water. So we also know their speed is 259 millimeters a minute. Now, you need to convert these units. I'm going to convert the meters to millimeters. 48 meters in millimeters is 48,000 millimeters. So my distance is 48,000 millimeters. Now, if I rearrange S equals dt to find t, I need to divide this by the speed. And the speed, as I said, they're going towards the light, so it's 259 millimeters per minute. And if we do that, we'll find how many minutes it takes to travel that distance. Let's go 48,000 divided by 259. So these guys can, it'll take them 185. So we've found the time. It's 185.328. Okay, and that is minutes. Now, the answer is in hours, so I need to convert this to hours. So I'm going to divide by 60, and that's going to give me 308, and that's the hours. There you go. To the nearest hour, need to make sure I read the question. So we need to change that to 3 hours. Great, we've done it. 2 marks. Let's get to the marks, people.